Whether used in contemporary or classic furniture, dovetail joinery is a highlight of quality woodworking. And with a little imagination, there's no telling what you can create with dovetails. Infinity Tools offers a large selection of dovetail bits designed with negative shear angle to provide ultra-smooth cuts. The weakest point of all dovetail router bits is their neck. To get the longest life possible from this type of bit, we recommend pre-plowing the groove before cutting the dovetail slot. Pre-ploughing is the concept of using a straight bit, sized smaller than the diameter of the neck, to first cut a clearance channel. Make a first pass with the straight bit to remove much of the waste. Remember, don't run this straight bit too fast, let the bit cut. The dovetail bit is then used to follow through that channel, but the stress on the bit is greatly reduced, leading to a better dovetail cut and a longer life for your dovetail bits. Follow this simple tip and you'll get the best performance from your dovetail router bits.